Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own Kahoot quiz. So first things up, you type Kahoot into your browser, and instead of going to kahoot.it, you go into kahoot.com because Kahoot IT is for the players and kahoot.com is for the people making the game. So for you to make a game, you first need to sign up. I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to make a personal account and I'm going to play Kahoot with my friends and family. Here I just select the date of my birth and then click continue. Username will be something random, and here you can type in your email and future password, but I'm just going to continue with Google. Continue and sign up. And here you will be offered a bunch of plans, but you just continue for free. So in the top right corner you can see a big blue button that says create. Just click it and then click Kahoot. We have a bunch of templates here. I'm just going to create a new Kahoot. So here you can type your question. What is square root of 4 as an example, and just add a bunch of different answers, and you need to select the correct one, which is 2, of course. You can even have multiple right answers. Just check the check mark. That's basically it. On your left you can add another question or even a slide, add more answers, and change the type of the questions and the time limit. You can even change the theme. I'm going to select winter. It looks nice. And to finish up the quiz, just click save. Enter the title, math, description, math, and just click continue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and thank you for watching.